let's talk about Jammu and Kashmir. The last seat that was left as far as the Anantnag Rajouri seat is concerned, we are told that there is a showdown that seems to be happening. The PDP chief and former chief minister of erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, seems to be sitting on a dharna. She has now been alleging that the workers are being detained by the police, and she wants to take up the matter with the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir. Will try and see if she speaks to the media, but this time around, as far as the contest is concerned, in the seat of Anantnag Rajouri, that has been the last seat left as far as the elections are concerned of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The elections today will be over, but we are looking at the PDP chief who is sitting out on a dharna. This is a showdown that seems to be happening. We will try and find out exactly what have been the allegations that are now being leveled, but according to information that is now coming in, she's been saying that party workers have been stopped and they have been arbitrarily been detained. Let's listen in.
लगाए हैं, उन्होंने हमारे किया गया है
Right, let me go across to Sohail now. Sohail, what's happening? Why is the PDP chief sitting on a dharna?
Well, in fact, PDP chief is still sitting on the dharna here on Srinagar-Jammu National Highway. In fact, outside the police station Bijbehara. But PDP chief, in fact, is alleging that police authorities in South Kashmir's Anantnag and Kulgam have, in fact, detained their party workers. That's why she's holding this protest here in Bijbehara outside the police station. Early morning, she came here. She's still protesting. She's accompanied by her party workers. She's alleging that the administration has selectively targeted her party workers. In fact, PDP yesterday in the evening had also written to Election Commission of India seeking immediate intervention and release of party workers. But at the moment, senior officials from the administration and police are in fact talking to Mehbooba Mufti, persuading her, motivating her to end her protest. But still, she is in fact here on Srinagar-Jammu National Highway. She has blocked this highway completely. She's accompanied by her party workers and party leaders. She was supposed to go to polling station, but before that, she in fact went to police station, and since then she is on in fact.
What with her, Sohail, exactly what does she say? Because she's sitting on a dharna right now. What is being said that her party workers have been arbitrarily detained, and she'll be taking up the matter with the Lieutenant Governor of J&K.